Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a Leetcode medium question that I just solved on my own. So I'm really happy about this, and I'm glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance. So let me show you how I did it. This one is called design linked list, and given the acceptance rate, I wasn't expecting to do it so quickly on my own. So I guess I almost surprised myself because this one I thought was easier than it should be, but either way. So basically they're asking you to design an implementation of a linked list. Basically you can choose a singly or a doubly linked list, and I just followed the instructions and it got accepted. So yep, so basically get the value of this list. If it's not indexed, if it's not valid, return -1, otherwise add it to the first. Pretty straightforward. So I just declared a list and then just said if index is less than 0, so it's not valid, or index is bigger than or equal to length of self.cur, then return -1, otherwise just return self.cur of index. Okay, so otherwise add it at the head, and so I just did self.cur equals to value plus self.cur. So let's say we want to add 5 to this list. We would just do that. Is equal to 5, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so add at tail, self.cur.append value, pretty straightforward. Add at index. So if the index is valid and index is less than length of self.cur, then we can add it. So if it's greater, it will not be inserted. So we can just say self.cur.insert at index value, and then delete. Pretty straightforward. Same thing. Bigger than or equal to 0, less than length of self.cur, then just delete it. Delete self.cur index. Okay, let's run this. Okay, it's not correct. If its index is invalid, return -1. Okay, so looks like add at the tail. Yep, that looks correct. Let's submit this. Okay, so okay. If it's greater than, then we can return, otherwise we insert it, right? So let's run this. Nope. The problem is in get. It's invalid. Then return -1. Yep. Let's print self.cur and index 0, 1, 2, 3. Is it bigger than? That would be out of bounds. 0, 1, 2, 3. Supposed to return 4. The indexed node in the linked list. If it's invalid, return -1. Same thing. Or we can just say if index is in bounds and then do this, otherwise return -1, right? Okay, run this. Nope. What's going on? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is odd. So -1 and 4. So get index is invalid. So if index is bigger than or equal to length of self.cur, then return -1, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, but that is correct. Why is this? Yeah, this was one of the edge cases that I ran into as well, but I figured it out pretty quickly, so let me see if I can do it again. It's 4, -1. Don't even need this. Turn the value, yep. Is it this? No, that's not correct. Index is invalid, return -1. Let's just do this to see if that's the right one. Okay, yeah, it is. Okay. Let's do index is valid if it's invalid, so less than 0, or return -1, otherwise return the value, right? Huh, that's weird. Oh, so if index is less than 0, or, right? Okay, we want to insert it here. Oh, if index equals the length of the linked list, then that will be appended to the end. Okay, so if index, if index is equal to length of self.cur, then dot append value. Else, so that messes this up probably from what I'm reading here. Okay, let's run this. Okay, submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm really glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance and solve it on my own. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.